I was thinking it's raining.
Right.
Look at the train. Vehicles.
What vehicle?
Follow this way. You're following.
Yes, we're following. Okay, hold that up. We don't need to see the ground.
We're protected. Whew. Good save.
Good save, you're covered.
No IKEA.
No IKEA.
The Titanic's not sinking.
Okay.
No, because
Okay,
the
what are you showing
Titanic's
pictures of?
still moving.
Just
Because the Titanic is still moving.
yes, dear. Okay. You're going with Dad. I'm going to the grocery store. You're going with Dad.
Go with Dad!
Wait.
Elevator! Please.
Yes. Just wait, please.
Hang on. You have water on your glasses.
No.
And so, I guess it's good. So be sure to wait with Dad and go up here. So I need you to be safe.
Yes.
Because it's raining and so
It is.
don't look for people in there.
Okay, honey, just wait your turn.
Please and so.
Thank you, yes.
As always,
Okay.
sit down please. Thanks for watching.